What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Dr. Leanna, owner of chirofitgym, and today I have something to show you guys that I have been waiting to get in the mail for a long time. So I'm going to show you guys this tool, and I'm going to do a little adjustment session. So sit back, relax, give this video a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please do so now, and let's get to it. And here it is. Oh yeah. What? You are whack as hell. You're acting like you just got that in the mail today. You've had it for a freaking week. I know, but I needed it for a video. Just leave. Damn, you're embarrassing me. I'll leave. You just keep acting like you're cool for the internet. Fake ass. So as I was saying, here it is, the Hypervolt. So let me just open up the inside here. This is what it looks like, and I was debating for a long time whether to get this, or the Theragun. This Hypervolt is a lot more reasonably priced. It's $349 compared to the Theragun, which is like $600, which I personally think is a little bit ridiculous. And I was hesitant to get this because of the price difference, and I was just scared that it wouldn't work as well. Like I watched tons of YouTube videos on like which one's better, and people were saying that like this thing is a piece of shit and that it just like it's not as powerful as the Theragun. Like the Theragun is very powerful, but it's also like extremely loud. It's honestly like a power tool. But I have worked on guys that are like 300 plus pounds and they love this thing. So I absolutely love this, and I would recommend going with. I've used both, and I personally like this better because of the price. And then you get 3 different attachments with it. So there's this one, and then you get the fork one, which you don't get with the Theragun. And this is like probably one of my favorite ones to use. So you get that one, this one, and this like flathead one. So I absolutely love this, and I will show you guys it in use in a bit. Okay, as I was saying in the intro, we're going to be using the Hypervolt on that guy. And these are probably my 3 favorite attachments. This one's like my favorite. And this one. This thing has saved my life. Like, it's made my work a million times easier, so I'm very thankful for that. And the battery life is good. It's never died on me, so let's do it. Any problems today, sir? Shoulder stuff? Shoulder? Just shoulder, pretty much? Okay. Yeah, so I am going to show how to use this just for shoulder and neck pain in general. So let's have you just have you go face down for now. Alright, and I'm going to see how well we can improve his range of motion. So flex your head down for me. Flex down. Okay, then look up to the ceiling. Both of those are pretty good. Pain? No? Okay, then look to one side. Yep. And go the other way. Okay, then ear to shoulder one way. Ear to shoulder the other way. Okay, so go back the other way. Pain with either of those? Just restricted? Just restricted. Okay. Okay, we have some work to do. And then lay on your back too. I'm going to do just a couple of muscle tests to see where you're at. Alright, so pretty much to start, I'm just going to use the ball head attachment and just kind of go through his thoracic spine, the muscles that line each side there. And for him, I definitely go to the highest setting.
like you need me. And I try not to need you like you need me.
Alright, so I'd say like T5, T6 is a little bit twisted to the right. And then we got about like T9, T10, the lower thoracic here. Almost like the TL junction. And then definitely he's sticky in his CT, whoops. So like T1, C7, T2, that kind of area right there. Again, it's being pulled to the right side, so pretty much all these adjustments will be on this left side here. There we go. And then when I go back and palpate through, I'm mostly checking to see if the ribs on both sides are moving relatively the same. This feels a lot better. Feel that? Okay, let's check out your range of motion. Look down. We'll look up to the ceiling. Yeah, that's better. And then turn your head one way. Good. Turn it the other way. Much better. Then ear to shoulder. No. There you go. Okay, good. Go the other way. There we go. That's a lot better. Feel a little bit better? Yeah. Okay, so that was a quick adjustment session with the Hypervolt. I highly recommend getting one. It's good for therapists, practitioners, as well as like self-at-home use before workouts, when you have sore muscles, that kind of thing. It is amazing. So, this is going to be the end of the video. Thanks so much for checking it out. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Somehow, this always happens where I just plan on getting him adjusted, and we end up doing everything. So let me actually show you his back. Yeah, we did a little cupping, a little Graston.